If you watched my last video about the Denza B5, you would have seen that this off-road SUV comes with BYD's DiSus-P advanced suspension system. Or if you've seen the specs of the all-new 2025 BYD Seal Performance, you will see that it now comes with BYD's DiSus-C advanced suspension system. So what are these systems? And what is the difference between them? Well, that's what we're going to cover today on this episode of Beyond EV, your home for everything BYD. Hi everyone, David here from Beyond EV, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting pieces of technology from BYD, their DiSus Intelligent Suspension System. If you've been following BYD's recent releases, you will know that DiSus is mentioned as a feature when it comes to ride comfort, handling and performance. But did you know that there are 5 different types of DiSus systems, with each one designed for specific driving needs, from everyday comfort to extreme off-road adventures? So, what makes DiSus so special? Well, by the end of this video, you'll understand why DiSus is one of the most advanced suspension systems on the market and how it's helping BYD compete with luxury brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Land Rover. But for now, let's get into it. DiSus, or DiSus Intelligent Suspension System, is a modular platform developed by BYD that offers 5 distinct suspension technologies. Each system is designed to adapt to different driving conditions, whether you're cruising on the highway, tackling rough terrain, or pushing the limits on a racetrack. The BYD DiSus system uses advanced sensors and AI algorithms to deliver the perfect balance of comfort, stability, and performance with micro adjustments that are performed in real time. But what really sets DiSus apart is its versatility. Whether you're driving a family SUV or a high-performance supercar, there's a DiSus system tailored for your needs. So let's break down each of the 5 types and see what they bring to the table. DiSus-C is BYD's intelligent damping control system. This is BYD's semi-active suspension system, and it's all about adaptability. DiSus-C uses adaptive dampeners to adjust suspension stiffness in real time based on road conditions, vehicle speed, and driving dynamics. If you find yourself driving down a bumpy road, DiSus-C detects the uneven surface and instantly adjusts the dampening force to absorb the shocks, giving you a smooth and comfortable ride. And if you are taking a sharp corner, the system stiffens up to reduce body roll and keep the vehicle stable. But DiSus-C isn't just about comfort, it also improves safety. By keeping the vehicle stable in all conditions, it gives drivers more confidence on the road, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. DiSus-C is perfect for everyday driving, offering a significant upgrade in comfort and handling compared to traditional suspension systems. You'll find DiSus-C in many of BYD's mid to high-end models, and one of those vehicles is the newly updated 2025 BYD Seal Performance here in Australia. It now comes with DiSus-C. The 2025 BYD Seal Performance is the first of BYD's vehicles in Australia to feature a DiSus suspension system, and you'd think that advancement would come at a cost, right? Well, it surprised even me to find out that the new 2025 Seal Performance, with its upgraded DiSus suspension, is now nearly $4,000 cheaper than the outgoing 2024 model. It's a great example of how BYD is bringing advanced technology to more affordable vehicles. Next, we have DiSus-A, BYD's air suspension system. This is where things start to get interesting, as DiSus-A replaces traditional coil springs with air springs, allowing the vehicle to adjust its ride height on the fly. With DiSus-A, you can raise the vehicle to increase ground clearance, making it easier to tackle rough terrain. Or if you're driving at high speeds, this system lowers the car to improve aerodynamics and stability. And when you're parking in a tight space, you can lower the vehicle height to make entry and exit of the vehicle even easier. DiSus-A is all about versatility and luxury. It's featured on BYD's premium models like the Denza N7, and it's a key reason why these vehicles can compete with the likes of Land Rover and Mercedes-Benz. But it's not just for smoothing off bumpy terrain. DiSus-A also enhances comfort on everyday drives by adapting to road conditions in real time. One of the coolest features of the DiSus-A system is its ability to level the vehicle automatically. If you're carrying a heavy load or towing a trailer, the system adjusts the suspension to keep the car balanced, ensuring a smooth and safe ride every time. DiSus-P is BYD's pneumatic suspension system. This is BYD's fully active hydraulic suspension system and provides a step up over DiSus-C and DiSus-A in terms of performance. DiSus-P uses hydraulic actuators to control the suspension with incredible precision. It can actively counteract body roll, pitch and dive, making it ideal for high performance driving. Whether you're pushing the limits on a racetrack or navigating uneven terrain, DiSus-P keeps the vehicle stable and composed. But what really sets DiSus-P apart is its ability to adapt to extreme conditions. If you find yourself driving on a winding mountain road, the system adjusts the suspension at each corner to maximize grip and minimize body roll. Or if you're tackling a steep incline, DiSus-P ensures the vehicle stays balanced and stable. This system is found on BYD's off-road and some high-performance vehicles. Vehicles like the Denza D5 that I discussed in my previous video, as well as the ultra-luxury Yangwang U8 SUV. The DiSus-P system is a system found on a range of BYD vehicles, and it is a testament to BYD's engineering prowess and the commitment to providing high-end technology across as many cars as possible in their range. BYD has developed one of the most advanced body control systems in the automotive industry today. BYD is also the first Chinese car manufacturer to own such a system, as they developed it themselves in-house. DiSus-X is BYD's integrated intelligent suspension system, which uses AI algorithms and a network of sensors to predict and adapt to road conditions in real time. It is designed with high-performance vehicles in mind, and at the time of this video, it's only available on one BYD vehicle, the Yangwang U9 supercar. Unlike solutions only focused on a single technology or the improvement of a single component, DiSus-X offers a systemic solution to managing lateral, longitudinal, and vertical vehicle movements. The DiSus-X system minimizes roll when cornering and reduces the displacement of occupants during high-speed cornering, heavy acceleration, and emergency braking. For example, if the system detects an upcoming pothole, it adjusts the suspension to absorb the impact before you even hit it. Or if you're driving on a slippery surface, DiSus-X automatically adjusts the dampening force to improve traction and stability. Now, this may all sound pretty dull and boring until you see these systems' capabilities firsthand. BYD's DiSus-X system stole the show when BYD announced the system to the public back in February 2024. And at this event, the Yangwang U9 rolled onto stage and started dancing and bopping along to the music in real time. But this is more than just a party trick. The DiSus-X suspension can act with enough force to leap the entire 2.8-ton car into the air. And it can not just do this at a standstill, it can also do it while moving as well. Spot a hazard up ahead and not sure if you can go around it? Why not just go over it? BYD recently released a video of the Yangwang U9 leaping over a road hazard while it was moving. This demonstration showcased what the DiSus-X system is truly capable of. And now we come to BYD's latest development. So new it was only announced last week. I'm talking about BYD's DiSus-Z intelligent body control system that features on the new Yangwang U7 sedan that was recently released to the market. DiSus-Z replaces traditional hydraulic dampeners with electromagnetic dampeners that can self-adjust in real time in as little as 10 milliseconds and can produce up to 50 adjustments in a blink of an eye. It's so fast to react that it can be controlled in real time by a user on a mobile phone through BYD's smartphone app. The true capability of BYD's DiSus-Z system was recently demonstrated on a video released by BYD, whereby a maze is placed on top of the Yangwang U7, and a user with BYD smartphone app uses a phone's gyroscope to navigate a ball through the maze by altering the car's movements using the phone as a controller. Take a look here. But DiSus-Z does more than just provide unrivaled levels of maneuverability, comfort and smoothness. It can also be used to capture regenerated electricity. That's right, because DiSus-Z uses electromagnets, it can store energy generated through the linear motions of the electromagnetic suspension and put it back into the battery. This technology has only been present for a couple of years, and I believe the Yangwang U7 to be one of the first, if not the first, EV to feature energy regenerative electromagnetic suspension. DiSus-Z really is a big leap forward when it comes to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in EV technology. So why does DiSus matter? Well, it's not just about making cars more comfortable or capable. It's about redefining what's available and affordable to all customers in the automotive industry. With DiSus, BYD is showing that you don't have to sacrifice performance for comfort or luxury or affordability. Whether you're driving a family SUV, a high-performance supercar, or an off-road adventure vehicle, the right DiSus system ensures you're getting the best possible experience. It really is a testament to BYD's commitment to innovation and gives BYD a strong competitive edge. With DiSus, BYD is able to compete with luxury brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW and Land Rover, offering advanced technology at a fraction of the price. The DiSus system and its variants are one of the reasons BYD is quickly becoming one of the most exciting brands in the automotive world. So, there you have it. BYD's DiSus intelligent suspension system in all its glory. Whether you're looking for everyday comfort, off-road capability or high-performance handling, there's a DiSus system for you. The higher-end versions of BYD's DiSus systems are currently only found on BYD's higher-tier vehicles. But as we've seen with the 2025 BYD Seal Performance, BYD is showing real-life signs that they're willing to trickle down their more advanced technologies to more affordable options. But what do you think about BYD's approach to suspension technology? And do you think we'll see their advanced systems on even more affordable vehicles in the future? Or do you think that the likes of the DiSus-Z and X will stay high-end? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Beyond EV for more BYD related content. We've got plenty more videos headed your way. That's it for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.